Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're pulling back the curtain on one of the biggest names in team collaboration software. We're talking about Atlassian and their major push into artificial intelligence. This is my Atlassian AI review, where I'll give you a detailed demo of what this AI promises to do inside of Jira and Confluence, covering all the exciting features and the not-so-obvious drawbacks, all sourced directly from their homepage. Atlassian Intelligence is positioned as the engine that will help teams achieve breakthrough productivity by working across your entire Atlassian suite. The positives are focused on practical, time-saving applications. For instance, it can draft customer responses for support agents or help developers by generating code change descriptions right from a Jira ticket. The AI aims to reduce the cognitive load on your team by summarizing critical information and automating routine tasks. The platform is built with a strong emphasis on trust and security, which is a major plus for any enterprise software. However, a key negative or consideration is that this isn't a one-size-fits-all magic wand. The technology is designed to assist and augment your team's work, meaning it still requires human oversight and quality data to be effective. The value proposition is also very ecosystem-centric. If your team doesn't heavily rely on Jira for tracking and Confluence for documentation, the AI's capabilities will feel limited. The enterprise-grade branding also implies a significant implementation and cost barrier for smaller organizations, potentially making it an exclusive tool for larger, more established companies. Goodbye me friends.